Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I want to do today is to give you all some insights into Starbucks 2021 financial analysis, specifically their cost of goods sold. So in my financial report for Starbucks, I do analyze the cost of goods sold, and specifically taking a look at the organization. In 2017, the organization's cost of goods sold was about $9 billion. In the next 4 years, the organization's cost of goods sold would decline to $8.7 billion. However, in that same time frame, the organization would increase their revenues from $22.3 billion to $29 billion. The organization, in a nutshell, is increasing their revenues while they're decreasing their cost of goods sold. This is an excellent trend. So hopefully this was helpful. And if y'all do want a company report, check out my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/public company financial reports. And as always, have a good one.